constancy. Constancy and the compulsion, both the meaning is their majburi. Just like you don't want to that work which has been assigned to you, but anyhow you have to. But in this rule, I have given you the international imaginary rule, the things which are spoken at the international level, not at the Indian level. I have not given that rule to you. Just like international imaginary rule, what will you write? I am to. Okay, am word will be used with the I. Are word will be used, they are to do this work. Enlargement means just like subject. She is the subject. Okay, she has to do something. Something is the enlargement of the sentences. But she is the subject. Has to is the constancy rule, constancy verb which you have to apply. Without applying this is to, are to, am to, it will not be completed. Have you got now? Okay, just like I have given subject is, am, are to first form of the verb plus object, and there will be the enlargement of the sentences. And subject is, am, are not to first form of the verb plus object enlargement. This is that if you want to make the kya rule, if you want to make that interrogative plus not, okay, then is, am, are subject not to first form. Without to, the sentence will not be completed, it will be the wrong. Suppose if you are using that am do, it is the completely wrong. Am do, no, I am to do. Have you got now? Just like WH family, why are you not to do? Without to, the word, the sentence will be the wrong. It shows the constancy of doing the words. Just like this word meaning has been given, eulogize. On the place of the appreciation, you can use that eulogize, तारीफ करना. On the place of the date खोलना. Just like open the fact. On the place, reveal the fact. On the place of the reveal fact, we can use in the one word diverge. What is the word? Diverge. Just you know that most of the people they use the boil. Boil for a funsi, as we have written. At that place we can use that postulate. And postulate means that is also the boil. Just like something will be found that due to the warmness in our body, that something will be raised up in the form of the eruption, that will be known as the postulate. Have you got now? And sharab is stingo, as you know. On the place of that alcohol, liquor, we can use stingo, ale. Plenty of the words are there. Shadi vyah, nafshal thing. On the place of the marriage, wedlock, we can use that nafshal masha. Dohrana, on the place of the repeat, we can use the replicate. Because you know that this is the modern scenario and we have to use the novice word. That is the very crucial point for all of us to exist into the world, to present or to represent ourselves in the modern scene. Have you got now? Isma dular dikhana. Just like you can use that love dotting, on the place of the love dotting we can use the isma. And dilasa dena, as you know, solitium. We want to give you the solitium. And salviator, on the place of the servant, on the place of that menial, we can use that right hand on the place, we can use the salviator. Sattebasi, speculation. What is the word? Yeah. Baddedansi chala, Utpatan chala, that is the shambhala. Have you got now? These all are the words which you can prepare and that you can do the grammar. Today is having the grammar class. So I just focus this word and you will start to do now. Okay. This is the word. If there's somebody wants to write, they can write also. They can get the idea what is the sentences, how the sentences will be formulated, you can also follow this coaching institute walk and it will be the lucrative for you. Thank you so much.